there, I'm Melissa Galbraith, the fiber artist behind MCreativeJ, and I'm going to show you how to create the long-tailed lazy daisy stitch, or long-tailed detached chain stitch. This is a variation on this stitch, and as you can see, it creates a longer straight line. And it can be fun for creating like flowers or spoke wheels or fun things like that. So to start this stitch, we want to bring our needle up right where the rounded point connects here, or what I call the point of the teardrop. So we come up and then we bring our needle back down right where we started, because we're essentially making a circle. And we want to hold our thread towards the rest of our loop. And we gently tug so we make a little loop on the front of our fabric. And we want to make sure this is nice and open. Next, we bring our needle up where we want the loop part of our lazy daisy to be. And then we gently tug towards that loop, the top of it, so it becomes flush with the fabric, like so. Now we get to make that long tail part. So however long you want this straight line, now that's where we're going to bring our needle down. So if I want a really long one, I'll go down like so. And that is our long-tailed lazy daisy or long-tailed detached chain stitch. I hope you have fun stitching this one, and for more embroidery stitch videos, be sure to visit MCreativeJ.com.